Here is the carnivorous plant I purchased this time, Pinguicula gypsicula. This Pinguicula is characterized by its slender leaves. The name gypsicula means growing on gypsum, and it truly does grow on limestone cliffs. It's one of only a few Mexican Pinguicula species that use gypsum as their substrate. It also has hygroscopic properties and is said to maintain moderate humidity. Now let's repot it. Pinguicula doesn't develop extensive roots, so it can be easily removed by tilting it slightly. For Pinguicula gypsicula, I use a mix of Kanuma soil and coconut husk chips in a 7:3 ratio. Place the mix in the pot, water it, and wait until the water draining from the bottom of the pot runs clear. Make a hole in the center of the soil and place the gypsicula there. Fill in the hole around it, and the repotting is complete. I'll make a video showing Pinguicula gypsicula's growth later. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video. Next up, another carnivorous plant, Pinguicula gracilis. It's a bit hard to see, but the leaf part is purple. I bought it because it was so beautiful. Now let's repot it. This one also comes out easily with just a gentle tilt. Remove the old soil and dead leaves. For Pinguicula gracilis, I use a mix of peat moss soaked overnight and Kanuma soil in an 8:2 ratio. Add the soil to the pot, make a hole in the center of the added soil, and place the gracilis there. Fill the hole around it, and the repotting is complete. I'll make videos showing Pinguicula gracilis's growth in future videos. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. Current Pinguicula care location. Temperature is maintained around 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Light exposure is approximately 8 hours of direct sunlight. LED lighting may be used instead depending on conditions. Airflow is also crucial for carnivorous plants. However, when providing airflow, ensure it does not blow directly onto the plants. What kind of Pinguicula are you growing? Feel free to share in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. For more on growing Pinguicula, check out this guide. Thanks for watching.